Good morning. Feels like Saturday today. It's only Tuesday. Check this thing out that I just walked past. I gotta walk ahead of Diggy because he's walking too slow, but this thing is rigged out. Is that all solar panel on the top there? Holy crap. That thing is sick. He's got baskets on there, he's got his bike. Looks like, yeah, he's got his max fan up there. Oh, he's got a security camera. 2 security cameras. Yeah, that's all solar. 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't know how big those are, but I gotta look at this thing. He's got, oh yeah, he's got security cameras all up on this thing. All right there. Oh, this thing's sick. Goodness, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 solar panels on the top. Man, this thing's ready to go. I dig it. Woo. Oh, I thought those were like solar water pipe things on the top there, but no, that's where his cameras are. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras, 7, 8 cameras. It's ridiculous. If that guy's not ready, I don't know who is.